Welcome in, guys. Today we're doing some much needed nesting. I'm currently 35 weeks pregnant, so not too much longer until baby girl gets here. So right now we are doing some laundry. I believe this is 6 to 9 months laundry, and then some burp cloths, muslin cloths, and bibs all together. I'm using the all free and clear laundry detergent, and then I've just kind of switched over to us all using that detergent instead of just for baby items. I just feel like it's easier that way. And don't fall for detergents that are marked as baby detergent. Those are just priced up. You can definitely just use like the all free and clear or like Tide or something like that. And then I'm using the Noodle and Boo fabric softener. It smells just like baby powder. I can definitely tell some tasks are getting harder to do, like laundry, especially reaching over into the washer to move things over to the dryer because my belly just gets in the way. Oh my goodness, it has been such a struggle to get like just regular chores done. But now it is time to actually put this laundry up, and you can tell I'm in a different outfit. This is a few days later, not even the next day, because it has just been so hard to have motivation to be getting things done, but I'm trying so hard. And as I'm going through all of these, I'm tossing the burp cloths and stuff like that over to this other basket to fold and put away another time, or just after getting the clothes done. And I'm hanging up like any onesies or really all the clothes at the moment. This is all 6 to 9 months, so she won't be in these for a little while. So I'm not going to be worried about putting these in any drawers or anything and taking up drawer space. I will switch them out whenever she gets into that size. I have newborn in one of the drawers for now. And as she gets older, I'll just swap out that drawer for different sizes. I have velvet hangers and plastic hangers, so like the more nicer things such as dresses and stuff, I'm putting on the velvet hangers, and then just regular stuff such as like onesies and regular shirts are going on the plastic hangers. I may not always follow that system in the future, but I do have both kinds of hangers, and I didn't really know how else to use them differently, so that's just what works for now. And I'm hanging up these sleepers, but eventually I do take them off the hangers and put them in a different spot in the closet, which you will see in a little bit. And here are the closet dividers that we are using. Each little month thing comes in a different color, but these are 6 to 9 months. I've got everything before then already hung up, so now just putting these in their place. And our next load of laundry is going to be blankets and sheets and the covers for the changing pad. These sheets I hadn't even opened yet. We've got a pair of pink sheets, we've got yellow and white, so we have 3 different crib sheets. And then in this other bag we have 4 different bassinet sheets that all came together in a pack. I'm going to link everything in my description just in case there's anything you want to check out that's in this video. But I think the amount of sheets we have is going to be a pretty decent amount, so we're not doing laundry all the time or anything. And then again, just using the all free and clear and the Noodle and Boo laundry stuff. And there's actually a blanket that I forgot to put in the washer with all of this, so I don't know when I'll end up washing it, but you know, at least we're getting all of this done. This is actually the blanket that I forgot to put on there because it was on the crib just as like decoration for now. The crib has definitely become a space for just things to pile up on, which I definitely want to fix. So I'm putting on crib sheets, and I do have a mattress protector that I am about to put on. Even though baby girl isn't going to be really sleeping in the crib for a little while, we have a bassinet that we're putting in our bedroom that she's going to be using. We may use the crib for naps and stuff during the day just so that she is used to this room and just the whole area. And I decided to put on the pink sheets for now just because the room is yellow and a lot of the like big things are yellow, and then kind of accenting with pink I think is what we're going to do mostly for decorations. Which I still need to order some decorations for this room. There's like some Winnie the Pooh pictures on Etsy that I'm wanting to get to put on the walls, but we're doing pretty good on decor. And putting on those sheets was a struggle, let me tell you. Reaching over the crib, oh my goodness, that was so hard. So this is the bottom of her wardrobe, and I'm putting sleepers that are bigger sizes back in here. I do have some drawer dividers that you see up in the front, but I don't have enough of them to put sleepers in at the moment. I do plan on ordering some more probably, but sleepers are just going back in the back for now, especially just since they're bigger sizes. She's not going to be needing them right now. And then this drawer we've got bibs and burp cloths. I already put all the bibs to the left, and then we're putting a lot of the burp cloths in here, which some I left out so that I can put elsewhere. I'll show y'all her other drawers so far. So this one's just got like some medicine type stuff. passy clips and teethers. Oh, I meant to actually sanitize this, but I forgot. Oh, and it's a rattler. I need to get all of her other passies in here, and I need to get some more medicine stuff to put in there. This one has just some random stuff for now. This will probably have diapers and wipes in it in the future whenever I actually get this situated. This has her newborn clothes. This has onesies, sleepers, and pants. And then this bottom drawer, this stuff still needs to be washed, but this has like wraps, swaddles, and that's pretty much it for in here. And then that one's the one that I just did, and this one has like some random stuff that needs to be gone through and like put in places. And then we have this middle thing that doesn't have anything in it at the moment. It did have all the sheets and stuff in it, but I just washed those. And then I'll probably end up putting those in one of these drawers after cleaning it out, all the extras. So yeah, that is what this looks like so far. The top is still has tons of stuff on it that needs to be organized and done, but you know, we're getting there. This is also her wardrobe so far. This was mine as a baby. My papa made it for me when I was a baby. So we have like bow holder here, and we still have these bows. These are like patterned bows, and I just cleaned this one out, this little bin thing, so I think I'm going to put those extra bows in there. We've got pants here, sleepers in bigger sizes at the back, and I'll switch them out as she gets into those sizes. We've got socks, hats, and then we've got like preemie right here, and then we've got these little dividers, and then, you know, so on and so forth. But I think I'm going to put the bows in there and add them here. And then her little shoes right there, but this isn't done yet. It's definitely a work in progress, but we're definitely getting there. This is her crib area with her name sign. We're gonna do a white accent wall right here with just boards on the back. I've almost got that ready to put up. I got my ring light up there. That's my closet. And then that thing, which we'll put in the living room probably later on. This little bookshelf from Amazon. This rocking chair with this little pillow. And then we've got all of our diapers stocked up back there. And then the stroller and car seat is right there. That'll go in the car at some point. And then changing table right here with a bunch of stuff on it that needs to be organized. Little diaper trash can and whatnot. So a lot of this still definitely needs to be worked on. I am 35 weeks currently. I don't know when this video is going up, but right now I'm 35 weeks. So this will be done hopefully sometime soon. I would definitely like this done soon, but that's where we're at right now.